excited to announce another new listing. This time we are at number 49 at Lincoln Park, right here in the heart of Sherwood Park. And you know what? You're going to be absolutely impressed with what you can get for under $250,000. This unit comes with 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, a full basement, and a private RjHomes and EXP Realty here. And today I'm excited to announce another new listing. This time we are at number 49 in Lincoln Park. This townhome complex is located right in the heart of Sherwood Park. Literally, I can see the Sherwood Park Mall right here. Of course, we're right next to Festival Place, and everything that's in this area is absolutely amazing. You're gonna love walking through the trail system. If you're a golfer, the golf course is right here. Inside, you'll find 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, a full basement, and the backyard is fully fenced. Let's go in and have a look. This is a great place. Conveniently located, right in front entranceway is this 2-piece bathroom. Of course, the kitchen has plenty of space for an eat-in table area, and as you can tell, you've got lots of cupboards, dishwasher. All the appliances are quite updated. They were only purchased a few years ago. Now, as we walk back into the living room area, you can notice that it's all laminated flooring here. There's no carpets on the main floor whatsoever. Of course, you have access to the basement, upstairs just around the corner, and the backyard is fully fenced. And this living room is massive. Everything in here is laminate flooring, so no carpets to worry about. The backyard is fully fenced. That's a rare thing these days. All the newer townhomes don't have backyards that are fully fenced. They're all common areas, so if you have a pet or young children, they're all fenced in. Upstairs, 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Go ahead and explore. So, what did you think? Isn't this just a wonderful unit? Now, if you're looking at something else. So, what did you think? Isn't this just a beautiful townhome? Now, whether you're a family starting out or you're an investor looking for a rental property, this being so centrally located right in the heart of Sherwood Park makes it very desirable for everyone. Thank you very much for watching the video all the way to the end. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to contact us either directly on our phone number at 780-222-8222 or check out our website, rjhomes.ca. Now remember, so, what did you think? Isn't this just a wonderful townhome? Thank you very much for watching the video all the way to the end. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to give us a call direct at 780-222-8222. Of course, all the information will be on our website at rjhomes.ca. Now remember to always share the video. You never know, this might be the perfect property for one of your friends.